Welcome everyone in today's video. In today's video we will learn some sentences in English and Marathi. First, I would like to apologize all of you my viewers and subscribers for my long absence, but now I will try to be continuous. So please watch this video till the end, and if you like this video, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Now let's see sentences. Today's video's first sentence is मला माहित आहे ती बरोबर होती. मला माहित आहे ती बरोबर होती. I know she was right. I know she was right. ते माझे काम नव्हते. That was not my job. That was not my job. तरी सुद्धा मी केले. Also then I did that. Also then I did that. मी तुला मदत नाही केली. Didn't I help you? Didn't I help you? म्हणून काय झालं? So what? ते तुझे कर्तव्य होते. That was your duty. That was your duty. तिला निराश करू नको. Don't disappoint her. Don't disappoint her. मला शांतता पाहिजे. I want peace. I want peace. कोणीही माझ्या मनातील शांतता भंग करू शकत नाही. No one can destroy my inner peace. No one can destroy my inner peace. ती क्वचितच लवकर उठते. She rarely gets up early. She rarely gets up early. ती खूप नशीबवान आहे. She's very lucky. She's very lucky. तू घरी थांब. You stay at home. You stay at home. तुला आरामाची गरज आहे. You need rest. You need rest. त्याला वेळेवर पोहोचावे लागते. He has to reach on time. He has to reach on time. आधी हा नियम नव्हता. The rule was not before. The rule was not before. पण आता लादलेला आहे. But now that imposed. But now that imposed. मला वाटले तू मला मदत करशील. I thought you would help me. I thought you would help me. मला दुसरा पर्याय आहे. I have an option. I have an option. मी तो निवडेन. I will choose that. I will choose that. मी तिला म्हणाले माझ्यासोबत ये. I said her come with me. I said her come with me. तू का हसत आहेस कोणत्याही कारणाशिवाय? Why are you laughing without any reason? Why are you laughing without any reason? हे कोण करेल? Who will do this? Who will do this? हे अजून का पूर्ण झालेलं नाही? Why this is not complete still? Why this is not complete still? कारण ती म्हणाली थोडा वेळ थांब. Because she said wait for a while. Because she said wait for a while. तिला काय झाले मला माहित नाही. तिला काय झाले मला माहित नाही. I don't know what has happened her. I don't know what has happened her. तो का पळाला? Why he ran? Why he ran? तो काहीही बोलतो. He speaks anything. He speaks anything. त्याच्यावर विश्वास ठेवू नको. Don't believe him. Don't believe him. त्यांना विचारू दे. Let them ask. Let them ask. त्याने त्यांना सांगितले आहे. He has told them. He has told them. चल बसने जाऊ. Let's go by bus. Let's go by bus. आपल्याला वाट पाहावी लागेल. We will have to wait. We will have to wait. मी तयार आहे. I'm ready. I'm ready. हे खूप सोपे आहे. It's very easy. It's very easy. मी हे शिकेन. I will learn this. I will learn this. मला पुढे जायचे आहे. I want to go forward. I want to go forward. In today's video's last sentence is तुमच्या स्वप्नांसाठी काम करा, इतरांच्या नाही. Work for your dreams, not for others. Work for your dreams, not for others. Hearty thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you have subscribed this channel. I will see you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep growing. Bye and take care.